Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to set a custom ringtone on the OPPO Find X9 Pro. So first of all, open settings by scrolling down from the top right corner and pressing the little settings button in the middle. In settings, scroll down to the sound and vibration, click on it, and in this section scroll down again to the ringtone section. In here you can select from a variety of pre-installed ringtones or select a custom one from your device. Here are the ringtones that you downloaded or recorded. I recorded my own ringtone, so let's pick it.
You have a call.
It plays to confirm you selected the right ringtone. And now I selected the custom ringtone on the OPPO Find X9 Pro. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.